Welcome to another episode of Echomerx product videos. In the video, we demonstrate products, functionality, features, and tricks and know-hows so you can make educated product purchase decisions. In today's video, we are going to unbox Echomerx's newest additions of heat tape dispensers. Didn't we have enough tape dispensers? Well, this one is special. It's a weighted heat tape dispensers. And of course, it's a manual. We already have semi-automatic tape dispensers already on Amazon. But this one is packed with features that will enable one-handed sublimation operations. So let's go do the unbox. This is a traditional Echomerx tape dispenser box, and it's in the color white. One side, very simple printing, and this specs. And also, there are some troubleshooting guides. So as we always try to improve ourselves on the products with the customer feedbacks. So you may see a different printing on the boxes, but generally, this is how it goes. Okay, so let's open it up. So this is weighted, and especially the words weighted heat tape dispenser. So what is weighted? A lot of tape dispenser on the Amazon claim themselves to be weighted, but this is a truly weighted tape dispensers. So it comes in bubble. So of course, because it's heavy, so a bubble bag would be appropriate for the packaging. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I feel it's pretty heavy, but it's definitely heavy for you to do the one-hand operations. And let's continue. So you're going to find this is a core, and we all know what the core is, right? So there are two cores, and this is for 1-inch tape, and this is for 3-inch tape. And to do the 3-inch, you just put the small core inside the 3-inch core and put it over there, and that's all. So in general, I like the finish, especially the bottom anti-skid pad, which is very thick and it's very heavy duty, so you will not drop this on any surface and make a huge pit. That's because this is really a good anti-skid pad on the bottom of the tape dispensers. So it's easy to work around, and I believe the color match with the desk. So it's really good looking heat tape dispensers, and it's very easy to use.